Hello grade 6, today we make the area of triangles 10.3. Before we make a little summary of the formulas of the area that we study. We study the area of rectangle, parallelogram, we say that is base times height. And the area of the triangle that we say that is equal half times base times height. Let's go to make the exercise. Exercise number 1, page 187 of your book. We have this triangle, we want to find the area. Here we have the base of 15, the height of 6. So the area of triangle is a half times base times height. So it's a half times 15 times 6. 15 times 6 is equal 90. So a half times 90 is equal for 90 divided by 2, that is equal 45. So the area is equal 45. Exercise number 2, page 187. We have a triangle with a base of 1.2 and the height of 0.6. The area is a half times base times height. So it's a half times 0.6 times 1.2. So 0.6 times 1.2 is equals 0.72. A half times 0.72 is equal to, say, 0.72 divided by 2. 0.72 divided by 2 is 0.36. So the area of the triangle is 0.36. We skip exercise number 3, we don't make it, we make exercise number 4. Exercise number 4, page 187. We want to find the unknown measurement for the triangle. The area is 0.225, the base is 0.6, we want to find the height. We say that the area is half times base times height. So in the place of the area we put 0.225. In the place of the base we put 0.6. A height we leave it as it is because we want to find it. So it's 0.225 equal a half times 0.6 times height. A half times 0.6 is equal to, say, 0.6 divided by 2. That is equal 0.3. So the equation is 0.225 equal 0.3 times height. We say that multiplication becomes division, so we have that h is equal 0.225 divided by 0.3. That is equal 0.75. So the height is equal 0.75. Exercise number 5, page 187. Here we have the area and the height. We want to know the base. We say that the area is a half times base times height. So we put in the place of the area 4.86. In the place of the height we put 1.8. So it's 4.86 equal a half times base times 1.8. 1.8 times a half is equal to, say, 1.8 divided by 2. That is equal 0.9. So it's equal 4.86 equal 0.9 times b. So b is equal 4.86 divided by 0.9, that is equal 5.4. So the base is equal 5.4 yards. Exercise number 6, page 187. Here we have a triangle, we have the area and the height. We make the same steps of the two last exercises. We have said that the area is a half times base times height. So we put in the place of the area 63, in the place of the height 12. So 63 is equal a half times base times 12. 63 is equal a half times 12, that is equal 12 divided by 2, that is equal 6. So 63 is equal 6 times b. Multiplication becomes division, so is equal 63 divided by 6 equal 10.5. So the base is equal 10.5 meter. Exercise number 7, page 187. We have the area and the base. We use the area, a half times base times height. In the place of the area we put 2.5. In the place of the base we put 5. So we have that a half times 5 is equal 5 divided by 2. So the equation is 2.5 equal 2.5 times h. Multiplication becomes division, so h is equal 2.5 divided by 2.5, that is equal 1 kilometer. So the height is 1 kilometer. Go to solve the problem solving. The first one. Baylor draws a triangle with a base of 15 cm and a height of 8.5 cm. If she colored the space inside the triangle, what area does she color? So we have we have a triangle of base of 15 and a height of 8.5. We want to find the area. The area is a base times height times a half. A half times 15 times 8.5, a half times 127.5, that is equal 127.5 divided by 2, that is equal 63.75. Exercise number 9, page 187. Alicia is making a triangular sign for the school play. The area of the sign is 558 square inches. The base of this triangle is 36 inches. What is the height of the triangle? So we have the area, that is 558. The base, that is equal 36, we want to find the height. The area is a half times base times height. We substitute in the place of the area 558. In the place of the base 36, so we have 558 equal a half times 36 times the height. 36 times a half is equal to, say, 36 divided by 2. So 36 divided by 2 is equal 18, so 558 is equal 18 times height. Multiplication becomes division, so we have that 558 divided by 18 is equal 31. So the height is equal 31 inches. I hope that you understand everything. I am here if you need anything. Good study. Bye.